Jai Hind, dear students. Welcome back to the civics class. Today we will continue with the chapter Understanding Media, and we will cover up the topic Setting Agendas. So, let us understand how media set an agenda for us as well as for them. So, students, media also plays an important role in deciding what stories to focus on and therefore decides on what is newsworthy. For example, the annual function in our school is unlikely to make the news. But if a famous actor is invited as the chief guest, then the media might be interested in covering it. So you can understand that if there is annual function in our school, so hardly it gets place or coverage in any news channel, local news channel or the newspaper. But if the school manages to invite any celebrity like any Bollywood actors or the cricketer, the whole media will cover the program to raise their TRP. Students, by focusing on particular issues, the media influences our thoughts, feeling and action and brings those new issues to our attention. Due to the significant influence it plays in our life and in shaping our thoughts, it is commonly said that the media sets the agendas. So, student, the media, we must remember, plays an important role in setting the agenda that decides which news items are worthy of attention and which are not. They help in shaping our opinion and thoughts. It is the media which brings to light issues that require our attention. For example, the media drew our attention to alarming levels of pesticides in cola drinks. They published reports that indicated the high level of pesticides and thus made us aware of the need to regularly monitor these colas according to international quality and safety standard. Even you must have heard about the use of Maggi also, that how it is not healthy for us. In covering these type of stories, the media positively helped us focus on an issue that affects our lives and one that we might not even have been aware of it had it not been for media reporting. But students, there are several examples where the media fails to focus on issues that are very important in our lives. For example, potable water or drinking water. It is a major problem in our country. Every year, thousands of people suffer and die because of unsafe drinking water. However, we never find the media discussing this issue. Even during the fashion week, this news get front page headline of all the newspaper while several slums were being demolished in Mumbai the very same week, and this was not even noticed. So here you can see the media is more focused to the rich people and do not pay any attention on the slum dwellers. And hardly 25% of national news bulletins are about health, education, development, welfare, environment, etc. Local media. The media generally reports on big issues, whereas the lives of the poorer sections of the society find no place in such reports. Most papers are limited in their content as they contain little local news. Realizing that the media would not be interested in covering small aspects of their lives, several people at the local levels have started their own local media. One such example is the newspaper Khabar Lehariya, published in Bundeli language. The various aspects of the newspaper are looked after by a group of 8 Dalit women of Chitrakoot district. The content of the newspaper ranges from current news, local incidents, and includes national issues, information on government schemes and policies, articles on local history and local people, folk tales, jokes, and riddles. It targets both men and women, but issues related to women receive greater attention. Similarly, other people use the local radio or community radio to inform farmers about the prices of the various crops and seeds, pesticides, etc. Others have used video cameras to make the documentaries or films on the lives of the poor people. Social advertisements. Student, some of the advertisements are made by the government or private agencies for the benefit of the larger society. Such advertisements are known as social advertisements. They are good example of positive advertising. The objective of such advertisement is to change the public attitude and behavior on certain important issues. For example, polio vaccinations, the dangers of crossing unmanned railway crossings, and the importance of educating the girl child. Even you have seen many of the celebrities making us aware about the mental health and awareness about the tuberculosis, etc. So there are several examples which shows us the positive aspect of the media.